Good morning, guys. Let me show you something. Oh no. Today I had an accident. I crashed with my van. It's so sad. It's not insured. It looks really awful. All those metal parts are damaged. Yeah. Luckily, I'm fine. It's only the van, but I'm really sad. I wasted so much time and money into this. Yeah. Yesterday night I edited one of my last videos. I was really tired, and during the ride I opened a bottle of water. It was under pressure, and all my trousers were wet. I was distracted, and then shit happens. Yeah. Drive safe. Always be focused on what you're doing and not editing videos all night long. I'm back here at DG doing the 3000 hours overhaul of the ASG29. We are in the final steps, so perhaps today or tomorrow hopefully we are finished and I can take the ASG29 trailer back home. So yeah, let's get to work. So what is a 3000 hour overhaul? The manufacturer is providing a program. Here in this case, Schleicher is providing a program with 21 pages where you need to go through, and an inspector needs to check all those points. And then there are some parts which you need to disassemble, and also a few parts which are mandatory to replace after those 3000 hours. Here in this case, we are replacing the rudder cables. Good morning to the final day. Today is day 7 here at DG, and hopefully I will get the 3000 hours overhaul done today. It's time to rig the glider again and make the final checks. So now everything is checked, the glider is fine, we made a weight and balance, that's also okay, and now I can de-rig the glider and drive back home. Finally, the ASG29 is on the hook, the 3000 hours check is done, and I'm really looking forward to fly this season more than last season. Let's hope that we all can fly more and that we can travel a little bit, that we can fly some competitions. Yeah, it was a great week here at DG. Thanks so much to all these kind people here who helped me a lot. Now I will drive back home, and let's hope that I will get back home without any more damage than this. So yeah, stay tuned. I will keep you updated also with the LS3, and see you next time. Cheers!